everyone, Chance here. Today I'll be opening something I love to do on this channel, my Ipsy for July. I was gonna say August almost. For July. So here is this bag. I absolutely love it. It's like peachy and all these leaves I like, and then the inside is peachy also, and then it says this is Ipsy on both sides. Yeah, this bag is really nice and I think bigger than the other one. Sometimes when they're like shaped like this, they're a little bigger. So yeah, everything fit in here in the extra item I got. So first, let's talk about this item. These are these sleeping mask pack. One is pore tightening and one is a vitalizer. And I read the directions are that you basically put them on and then you wipe it off in the morning, wash it off in the morning. So I'm excited to try these out. I can probably get a few uses out of these because they're, you know, they look like those little cheese and cracker snacks, but I'm excited to try this. I didn't get to try it last night. I did try a few items on though, which I'll talk about. The first item I tried today was this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Oh, I didn't even smell it when I tried it on still. I don't know if it's like, it doesn't, oh, it does smell like watermelon, but it's like very faint, so it's not too strong. And I haven't tried any primers from Ciate before. I've tried only like lipstick, mascara, maybe like some skin item, but like not primer. I like it, little bursts in it, and I did get one, and when I was applying it, it just like goes away after a while. So I tried it. It wasn't as tacky as I thought it would be, but since it's like a hydrating one, it's like basically like a light moisturizer. But yeah, I like using it. Hopefully my makeup, you know, lasts and everything. I do like set it after, you know, primer, but like primer is like the base. So yeah, it was exciting trying this out. Okay, let's pull out this item. This is a blush and it's from Phase Zero, and I think it's called Cotton Candy, or is it, because it just says Cotton Candy blusher. Let me show you the color. This color is like super light for me because I did swatch it yesterday. And yeah, it just says Cotton Candy blusher. So let me open it up. Like every time I open this, like it's like breaking. I don't know why, because it's like, yeah, every time I open it, it's like super like tight, the packaging, and every time I open it, some of it like just breaks off. So like at the bottom, wow. At the bottom here, it's like a little broken, but it's like light for me. So I'm just gonna give it to somebody. Hopefully I can, you know, tell them like, hey, like sorry, but it keeps breaking. Like, I didn't break it, I swear. But yeah, it was like everywhere. It was going into my bed and everything when I was opening my Ipsy. I was like, whoa. So I'm just gonna put that away. Next is something I'm also trying out today, is this lipstick. It's from Smashbox and it's called Babe Alert. I've gotten one of their lipsticks before in Ipsy and I'm in love with it. It's like a nude, and this is like a nice summery pink color. Let's see, I love the wand that they have. It just like goes on perfectly. You can line it up and then like fill it in. So yeah, I'm glad that I got another Smashbox lipstick. I can't wait to get more. Hopefully I get more. And then next is, I think, the last item. Yeah, last item, but after this, don't worry, I have a bonus item. I feel like the glue just like, I like this probably, just melted in the heat. But this is a Brighten Concentrate Oil with Kakadu Plum, one of the world's richest natural sources of vitamin C. And it's from the company Red Earth. 93% natural ingredients. This helps brighten, rejuvenate, and refresh skin. And then you use this by upward circular motions, massage a few drops, and to cleanse skin. So I'm excited to try this out because I do like the maracuja oil, but I know like this is a little different. Let me see if it, oh, okay, it's sealed. I love skincare items in Ipsy. If you've been watching me, you know I get super excited. But if you're new, hello. I love skincare items from Ipsy. Oh my god, it smells good. It smells oily. I don't want to drop this. Yeah, it looks like it'll be pretty easy to use. All right, so it is tiny, but I will make good use of it. Last item, my bonus item in here is this bronzer from Morphe. I love Morphe, but I haven't tried their bronzers before. This is in the color Enemy, and I was super excited when I saw this in the points section, because I do have points. I redeemed it. Let me swatch it. Okay, here it is. Let me put it on my palm so you can see the color better. So it'll definitely work for me. I totally forgot to use it today. I didn't want to do like a lot of makeup, but I did basically my skin and brows and mascara and stuff and lipstick because I want to try it. But I'll definitely use this very soon. I like this cute packaging. I know they have a bigger size, but I want to try out the smaller one before. I know that they have super affordable bronzers, so I hope I like this so I can buy the full size. That was it, but let me show you my card. And in here it just says dive in. And then on August 2nd, you can add additional products to your August glam bag, which I know, but if you didn't, go ahead and, you know, do that, because that's pretty cool. Here are all my items. I know how to use everything, so I really don't need to read this, but if you're interested, here is my products and like little descriptions and how we use it. I'm super happy about this month's bag. No, the blush was a little light, but I know I could like build it up, but it's okay. I have too many, so I'm just gonna give it away. Everything else I absolutely love. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag if you get Ipsy. If you don't, you should try it out. I have a link below that you can sign up through right away. And if you want to watch more Ipsy videos, I also have them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and for Ipsy, I'll see you guys next month. Hopefully I can do more videos this month. Bye guys.